Welcome to school. Here are our Dutch Flemish designs for tonight. This one with the flying purple liatros were done by the young lady here. She's working on her bridle right over there. How's that going? Point it at the camera, show them. Superb, look at that. Their work is really great. They've been designing for only 5 days and they're producing this style of work. It's gorgeous. This is that roguey Dutch Flemish mixed Lucy arrangements, and I see a lot of them, and a lot of them I say are ugly. You have to make your work pretty. Your customers want pretty work. They don't want to buy just a pile of flowers shoved in a pot, which you will see everywhere lately from designers who never quite picked up the fundamentals of design, which we teach here at American School of Flower Design. We're on 28th Street in New York City. You've got to join. This is the only place, voted the best. And watch the videos and you'll see why. My students produce spectacular work by the end of the week. It's an immersive course which just hammers home great design. You think you'll be good, you'll be great by the time you're done with the week. So, Flower School 101, join us in class.